I'm Mike Russell from musicradiocreative.com. Spotify Ad Studio is rolling out to more territories and making audio ads online accessible to small to medium-sized businesses. Keep watching for a look inside. Spotify Ad Studio is a self-serve platform similar to Google AdWords and Facebook ads, except the fact that it's not clicking banners or clicking links or following text ads. It's finally making audio ads emerge from the shadows. So how does it work? Well, currently it's still in beta at the time of recording this video. You'll need to sign up for access if you're in the United States, United Kingdom or Canada. It's available to you right now. Once you get in, you have the Spotify Ad Studio interface in front of you. You can build your own ad by clicking the Build Ad button. This will allow you to set up your campaign. You can choose an objective such as announcing an event, raising brand awareness, driving people to your website, and you can choose a demographic audience. This is what makes it super cool. You can super micro-target listeners on the Spotify free plan. So for instance, you could go for listeners in the United Kingdom. That'd be quite a wide audience. You could go down to London or Devon or Isle of Wight if you wanted, aged between 13 and 44, both genders, listening to hip-hop music. You can change the genre, obviously, the mood, the style really is very, very good indeed. So how much does it cost to advertise on Spotify? As little as $250. Pretty accessible to small to medium-sized businesses. Now, they can create an ad for you, or you can create your very own audio ad. Just make sure to follow their creative ad guidelines, and also make sure that the loudness, the RMS loudness, and true peak amplitude is to the exact settings that Spotify suggests. Now, there is a video that I've linked to in the description below this video that will help you meet all those settings if you're working on your own. We can also create an audio ad for you. I'd love to do that at Music Radio Creative. Choose from over 100 voice talents from around the world. We work with singers, musicians, and producers to make your ad sound great. And I've got a coupon that will get you 20% off your first audio ad for Spotify. Just type MRC Spotify into the checkout over at musicradiocreative.com. Now, if you want to get all those settings to make your audio ad sound great, make sure to watch the next video and enjoy advertising on Spotify. How are you going to be doing it? How will you be using the new Spotify Ad Studio? Let me know down below in the comments to this video.